one more tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to complete this home activity a little bit. So what we want to do is, and this ID represents, I don't know which one. Let's just check it right now. Admin activity home. Now it's 6 of them is residing over there. So what we can do is, yeah, I think we are for, let me show you guys where it is. No, this is the one. So for each one there are various fragments. That is this one, we have these fragments as there. So to change it we need to change the entire thing, I hope so. And what we can do is, instead of this, I don't know what to use, what we can use, and just yeah, here we need to change everything. That is, here we need to change it to, yeah, what we need to change is app bar. There it is. We need to go to, wait a minute guys. Yeah, what we need to do is we need to change where it is. Yeah, from here activity home trial, and it is nav cart where it is. Yeah, first one, let it be nav cart. Be nav cart. Otherwise first one, let it be home. App start destination is home, and we have this fragment. Instead of this fragment, let us have gallery. Now got, and what we have is categories, and we have home is over, and we have order. Let me just check it once. And yeah, home, it is not gallery, it is search. We need to change it right now. It is not gallery, it is search. It is search, and yeah, after this we need to go here, and what we have here is search. After cart, home, and categories we have search, and then we have categories over my order, setting, and about. My order, it is order, setting, it is settings, and logout. Yeah, we need to copy it one more time. It is logout. Now here in home activity we'll be having errors. Yeah, we'll be having errors. Now we have now cart, we have now categories, we have now, and we have order, we have now search, we have now settings. I have code guys, and we have logout. It's all ID card. Now logout. I think that's it. We have 7 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we have 7 items. And we have 7 items, and we need, before that, let us just check it. And right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have home, and it is not home. We need it as cart. Where it is, we need to change it right here. I hope so. It is not home, it is cart. Yeah, I hope now it will be looking good. Cart, search, categories. Yeah, everything is fine now. And this one is, this activity is over, and if you need, you can change the color of the background of this and this, but the white color looks good, it seems so, so I am leaving it as it is. And for here we have done everything, and fragment clarity we don't need this. And here for this icon we need to change the icon of this, I mean, let me show you, of this message to cart. Let us just type it as cart. It's not showing. Before that we need to change this, I think, this layout to relative layout. Oh, let it be like this. And I think it's not this one, it is content, it is content, and we no need to add this one fragment here, so we need to delete it, and we are going to change it to relative layout, and we are going to add a recycler view. Let me show you guys. This is a relative layout right now. This is our main activity, and we are going to add recycler view. Make sure to implement this method, and it is match parent, and let the orientation be vertical, and ID will be recycler menu or something like that. And yeah, that's it. This is for recycler view, and this one is mobile navigation view. Here you can see all the fragments which we have used. This is 6 fragments we have. We don't need this right now. And this is, yeah, here we need to change the icon. Here is the icon. Change the icon to cart. Here the cart will be displayed, and we don't need this cart. We can have nav cart. Yeah, this is fine. And after this, what we are going to do is, in home activity we have something called, yeah, it is now host fragment. I think we have deleted something. Yeah, wait a minute, guys. Let us just go to our content home and we can just recycle. Yeah, I think this is now host fragment. For this fragment, what we can do is, and where is that fragment? Here is the fragment. This is the host fragment. This is the text view. So for this, we need to add the. I think we need to add the recycler view right here. So let us add it right here. We don't need the text view, and we can just delete this constraint layout. We need it as relative layout. Relative layout, and here we can have those recycler view. It is match parent. Let it be match parent, and the orientation is vertical, and we can give the ID as, we can give it as recycler menu, and I think now there won't be any. Yeah, there is no error. And now for each item click, what we want to do is basically it will open that fragment. So here are those fragments. So what we can do is, the better way is we can just rename everything and we can work on it. And the alternate way is we can create a separate activities for it and we can work on it. So before that, what we can do is, let me say guys. So let us just know, for time being we can create something like toast message nav control dot add on destination change listener. You need to create a destination on change listener, and if destination dot get id equals to or dot id dot now home, if it is equal to now home, what we want to do, that is, now we are getting these ids, that is from this, where it is mobile navigation view, and so we need to change everything. I think what we have done, yeah, here it is. Now what you can do is you can just display a toast message of this home. Now what you can do is copy it, paste for 7 more times, because we have 1 3, yeah, we have 7, 3 4 5 6 7, yeah, we have 7 times. We have home, we need cart, and here is also it's a cart, and here we have now categories, and here we can also have categories, and here we can have order, and here also we can have order, and we can have search, it is home and return this, and here we need to have search, here also we can have search. After search we have settings and logout, we have, that's it, we have settings and logout, yeah, settings, and this is logout. So for logout we have done already, which is we have initialized the paper method, and for this toolbar we can set the title. Toolbar dot set title. You can set some title as home, and now we have paper method, paper dot init. This we have initiated the paper method. Now for whenever the user clicks on logout, we need to log out. New intent. What it is home activity dot this, and we need to send it to main activity dot class. And now we have what we have is we need to add the flags. Add the flags, which is intent dot flag activity new task, and we need to put this pipeline, that is this one, and again we need to pass the same intent dot flag activity clear task. Here it is, flag activity clear task. And now we need to start the activity. We need to start this intent and finish it. And now we need to change something, that is we need to rename everything. That is for based on these we need to rename these. Oh, so let us rename right now. So we can close this home activity and fragment home activity, and the content also we don't need right now. What we need right now is, let me see, we need activity home. Yeah, this is what we needed right now. And we have cart, search, categories, my order, settings, logout. We have 6 things. We no need for fragment activity for this logout, and for others 5 we need it. So for others 5 we have, I think we have 1 2 3 4, we have 6 things, so we can delete this. Before deleting we need to check it in mobile navigation view. We can first, what we have is we have send, share, tools, slideshow. First let us just build one time, and let me check for errors, guys. Let us check for errors right now. Let us wait for it to build. Let us wait for it. It is now 2 minutes and it's still building. While it is building, let us check how many hours we have coded today. Just go to Waka time. Waka time. Yeah, it's here. It is also being loaded. I think it's built. No. Some error is found and home fragment. Home fragment where it is. Show up UI home fragment. Home home fragment. Yeah, we don't need this text here. Get text dot up, so we don't need this. Just delete it. Let us comment out first. Let us see what's happening next. So now let's build it again. So we need to refresh it. It's been so long. So these are times where I have used to create that categories activity. 3 hours 43 minutes, 3 hours and 55 minutes. It is also loading. It is also loading forever. Let us wait for it because we have no other way. It's done. Yeah, everything is built successful. So everything is fine. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial, let us complete many. Thank you.